What if the SUV you're considering for 2026 is actually the one most likely to cost you thousands more over the next few years? Families are walking into dealerships assuming that a strong brand name, a hybrid badge, and a giant touchscreen automatically means smart ownership. But heading into 2026, the math is changing. Insurance premiums are rising, repair costs are climbing faster than inflation, and advanced safety systems are turning minor accidents into expensive recalibration jobs. So here's the real question. Are you choosing based on reputation or long-term risk? Consumer Reports has just released its latest SUV rankings. On the surface, the results look predictable. High reliability scores, strong safety ratings, solid road test performance. But when you look deeper at projected ownership costs, repair frequency, and how these vehicles age under real-world conditions, a clear separation begins to form. One SUV doesn't just win, it outclasses the rest in a way that makes the others feel like compromises. Number 5. The Honda Passport 2026 opens this list, and it does so without embarrassment. On paper, this feels like a safe, rational choice. It's a mid-size SUV from a brand known for durability, resale value, and practical engineering. For many buyers, that alone builds trust before the test drive even starts. Under the hood, Honda sticks with its naturally aspirated 3.5-liter V6, producing 280 horsepower. No turbocharging, no hybrid complexity, just a proven engine paired with a smooth automatic transmission. That simplicity still matters in 2026, especially as long-term maintenance costs continue to climb across the industry. Where the Passport separates itself is in the Trail Sport trim. Increased ground clearance, all-terrain tires, skid plates, and revised suspension tuning give it genuine off-road credibility. This isn't just an appearance package. If you actually plan to leave pavement behind, the Passport offers capability many family SUVs simply don't. Inside, the cabin is spacious and functional. The updated 10.2-inch touchscreen supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Rear seat space is generous, and cargo capacity is strong for the class. It's practical in the ways that matter day to day. So why does it sit here instead of higher? Fuel economy lands at an EPA-estimated 20 city and 25 highway. In a segment increasingly dominated by hybrids pushing well past 30 mpg combined, those numbers feel dated. Consumer Reports also notes that while predicted reliability is solid, it doesn't quite reach the benchmarks set by Honda's top performers. Minor infotainment glitches and interior durability concerns hold it back. Starting around $42,000 and climbing quickly toward $50,000 with options, the value equation tightens. It's a capable, honest SUV. But as you move up this ranking, you'll see vehicles that simply balance the modern ownership equation more effectively. Number 4. Sliding into the fourth spot is the Mazda CX-70 2026, and this is where the list starts to feel more premium. Mazda has built its modern identity around delivering near-luxury refinement without the luxury price tag, and the CX-70 might be its clearest expression of that mission yet. Step inside and you immediately notice the difference. Real wood trim, available Nappa leather, tight stitching, and impressive sound insulation give the cabin a genuinely upscale atmosphere, one that feels closer to Audi or BMW than mainstream rivals. Under the hood, buyers can choose between a turbocharged 3.3-liter inline-six producing 280 horsepower or a plug-in hybrid that delivers a combined 323 horsepower and up to 30 miles of all-electric range. The hybrid, in particular, makes daily commuting efficient and surprisingly quick. But where the CX-70 truly stands out is how it drives. The steering is precise, the chassis feels balanced, and it handles corners with confidence. Unlike many SUVs that feel detached and numb, this one actually engages the driver. So why isn't it higher? For families, practicality becomes the limiting factor. It's strictly a two-row SUV with seating for 5. Cargo space is solid, but not class-leading. And while the plug-in hybrid is efficient, the base turbo model's fuel economy is only average. Pricing also climbs quickly. Well-equipped models can push past $60,000, putting it directly in luxury brand territory. Add in the fact that long-term reliability data is still limited, and some buyers may hesitate. The CX-70 is ideal for drivers who value refinement and engagement over maximum space. It's thoughtful, polished, and rewarding to drive, just not the most versatile option on this list. Number 3. Subaru Outback 2026. A vehicle that perfectly proves you shouldn't judge a book by its cover. It may not look flashy, but underneath its understated design is one of the most thoughtfully engineered vehicles in its class. Technically, it's more of a raised wagon than a traditional SUV, and that's exactly why it works so well. It combines car-like handling with genuine SUV capability. Power comes from a standard 2.5-liter four-cylinder making 182 horsepower, focused more on smooth efficiency than speed. For those wanting more punch, a 2.4-liter turbocharged engine delivers 260 horsepower. What truly sets the Outback apart is Subaru's legendary symmetrical all-wheel drive, which comes standard on every model. This full-time system provides outstanding traction in rain, snow, and light off-road conditions, offering real peace of mind for drivers in colder climates. With 8.7 inches of ground clearance, it handles rough roads better than most car-based crossovers. Inside, the 2026 model features improved materials and an 11.6-inch vertical touchscreen. There's generous passenger space and up to 75.7 cubic feet of cargo room with the rear seats folded. Subaru's EyeSight safety suite also comes standard, adding features like adaptive cruise control and automatic emergency braking. So why isn't it higher? The interior, while improved, still feels more functional than premium. The base engine can feel underpowered, and the infotainment system isn't class-leading. Still, starting around $30,000, the Outback delivers excellent value. For practical buyers who prioritize safety, capability, and year-round usability, the Outback remains one of the smartest choices on the market. Number 2. Toyota RAV4 2026. If you're surprised that America's best-selling SUV isn't number 1, there's a good reason. But first, let's talk about why it came so close. The RAV4 is the automotive equivalent of a Swiss Army knife. It does everything well without any major weaknesses. Over decades, Toyota has refined this formula, and the 2026 model represents the peak of that evolution. It excels in the areas that matter most to real-world buyers: reliability, fuel economy, resale value, and overall versatility. Powertrain options are a big part of its appeal. The base 2.5-liter four-cylinder makes 203 horsepower and delivers around 30 mpg combined. The RAV4 Hybrid bumps output to 219 horsepower while achieving an impressive 39 mpg combined, outstanding for a compact SUV. For even more efficiency and performance, the RAV4 Prime plug-in hybrid produces 302 horsepower and offers up to 42 miles of all-electric range, letting many drivers handle daily commutes without using gas at all. Reliability is where the RAV4 truly dominates. Toyota's long-standing reputation for durability is backed by strong owner data, and that translates to fewer repair bills and less downtime. It also holds its value exceptionally well, meaning owners typically recover more of their investment when it's time to sell. Inside, the cabin is practical and well-built. A 10.5-inch touchscreen with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto comes standard on most trims, along with Toyota Safety Sense, which includes adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and automatic emergency braking. Cargo space reaches nearly 70 cubic feet with the rear seats folded, and available all-wheel drive, especially in the TRD off-road trim, adds extra capability. So why isn't it number 1? Because while the RAV4 does everything well, it doesn't feel exceptional in any one area beyond reliability and efficiency. The ride is comfortable but not luxurious. The handling is capable but not engaging. It's the smart, sensible choice, just not the most refined or exciting. For buyers who value long-term dependability and everyday practicality, the RAV4 is hard to beat. But one SUV manages to match its strengths while adding an extra layer of sophistication, and that's why it takes the top spot. Number 1. The Lexus TX 350h. If you're surprised, you haven't been watching what Lexus has been doing lately. The TX 350h proves you can combine Toyota's legendary hybrid reliability with true luxury. three-row practicality, and advanced technology that actually works, all in one refined package. Under the hood, it pairs a 2.4-liter turbocharged four-cylinder with Toyota's hybrid system to produce a strong 366 horsepower. That's genuinely quick for a three-row SUV. Yet, despite that performance, it delivers around 31 mpg combined, impressive efficiency for a vehicle this size and power. Over time, that balance of performance and fuel savings makes a real financial difference. Inside is where the TX truly separates itself. The cabin feels like a rolling sanctuary with genuine wood trim, premium leather, elegant metal accents, and exceptionally comfortable seats available with heating, ventilation, and even massage functions. Unlike many three-row SUVs, the third row is actually usable, and the second row offers either captain's chairs or a bench configuration. Technology is equally polished. A large 14-inch touchscreen is crisp and intuitive, avoiding the overcomplicated systems found in some rivals. The available Mark Levinson premium audio system delivers outstanding sound quality, and Lexus Safety System Plus 3.0 adds advanced driver assistance features that enhance confidence without being intrusive. Perhaps most importantly, the TX is built on proven Toyota engineering. That means buyers get Lexus-level luxury with Toyota-level dependability, a rare combination. Predicted reliability is strong, and when factoring in fuel economy and resale value, total cost of ownership becomes surprisingly competitive against European luxury SUVs. Yes, pricing starts around the low $60,000 range, but when compared to similarly sized German competitors, the TX often delivers more long-term value with fewer maintenance headaches. For families, it offers space and safety. For luxury buyers, refinement and comfort. For efficiency-minded drivers, hybrid savings. It doesn't just excel in one area, it balances nearly every category that matters. That's why the Lexus TX 350h takes the top spot. It's not just good at one thing, it's exceptional at almost everything.